Today, we are looking inside one of the cleaning industry's most anticipated leadership events of the year, the Altus Summit 2026. It will happen June 8th through 10th at ISSA Headquarters in Rosemont, Illinois. Now, this is not just another conference. It's an evolution from the ISSA Business Growth Strategies event. You remember that from last year. This year, it's a leadership experience designed specifically for building service contractors and industry professionals who are serious about growth, connection, and long-term impact. And today we're joined by the architect of the event to talk about what makes the Altus Summit different, how the experience is structured, and why this is the place where leaders come to refocus, realign, and return with a stronger path forward. And my guest is Karina Neff. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah, thanks, Jeff. How many have you done of these? How many videos, let's say, to
A
date have you
million,
done?
a million videos.
Are you actually counting? I think you should because it's wild how many videos you've actually done.
I think last year we did about 500 videos, more than a million views. It's a busy time because people want video. And that's why we're here, because
Yeah.
there's a live event coming up. But how are we going to learn about it unless we talk about it here on this video, Karina?
Yeah, I'm so excited, Jeff. So Altus Community is really a place where we've created for the building service contractors. It's a collective or a group that really allows us to, based on three main principles. It's to engage with intention, empower with education, elevate with influence. And I'm so grateful to be able to be the architect, but also be the connector in a lot of ways for incredible companies. And so the summit, which is this June in Chicago, is meant to be a place where we can engage with intention again and really talk about scalability and what are the factors that are going to help these business owners scale and industry professionals understand how to use technology, strategy, operations. And we're really joined by what we call the Altus principles.
Karina, you describe Altus as more than an event because there's a lot of events in the industry.
Yeah.
Every day it seems like there's a new event being promoted. But this is about a leadership community. What does that look like when someone walks in the doors and they're there for that experience?
Yeah. So I always say this, iron sharpens iron. You want to be around smart, driven subject matter experts that are really shaping the industry. And so we've done that with the Altus principles. The Altus principles are six subject matter experts or thought leaders that are really curating this event and the collective for 2026. I'm so grateful and honored to be able to call on these, my personal friends and some of the industry influencers. They're some of the sharpest minds in our industry, not only subject matter experts, thought leaders, but they have really used some of these techniques to drive their specific businesses. So we've got six different Altus principles representing each one of the core topics within this industry, meaning operations, technology, human resources, finance, strategy, and sales and marketing. And some of these folks are not only going to be a part of the Altus Academy, which is a monthly cadence, but going to be in or at the Altus Summit in Chicago.
Now, I've been to a lot of events, Karina. People come in, they sit in a chair in the auditorium, and they sit there and they might get drowsy, waiting for the coffee break. What's different about this? How much engagement will there be where they can really go home with an action plan?
I'm very intentional. I think all of us are with our time, and we really want to make sure that we walk away with tactical and tangible strategies. And gone are the times where you can go to an event or should go to an event and just sit there and absorb and not really put to practice. And so a lot of the things that we are going to cover is strategy, methodologies, tips, tools, tricks that would allow you to implement these things into your business. The other big differentiator, Jeff, is that when we have historically done events, or his events in the past have really been focused on a one-way or one-dimensional approach, in my opinion. Now we're taking what is learning and education and putting it together with peer groups and community. And so you're going to see a lot of these sessions that have this peer group component. So you'll learn and you'll see what are these subject matter expert or Altus principles teaching on, and then you'll break out into your peer groups based on the Altus levels. So we've really curated a space not only that's driven by high engagement, but wanting to understand where these companies are in business is very important to how do we help them. So Jeff, we've been really not only intentional about what we're talking about, but we're very intentional about who we are serving. So the membership class is divided into 4 engagement levels. The first engagement level is 0 to 1 million, which is called Aspire. The second one is 1 to 5 million, which is called Advance. The third is 5 million to 20 million, which is called Achieve. And the last tier, which is called Ascend, is 20 million and above. We understand that it's very different, your needs from a 0 to 1 to 20 million. So we're curating a space that has not only the peer groups, the education, but tailored strategies for where you're at in business. Altus is focused on scalability, practical tips and tools that allow you to really implement these things. And what better way to do it than to come in person at the summit in June?
You did that without notes. You just know this stuff, Karina.
Like the back of my hand.
And you're going to be there.
I'm going to be there. I mean,
Okay.
Jeff, we've been talking about this now or we've had a place of development and deep understanding of our industry for the last 7 months. Like we were really, really intentional about diving into strategy. What are our members wanting? What do they need? And we want to be able to provide resources that actually move the needle. In this market, things are very hostile right now. And so we're trying to find ways, creative ways that we can serve in a way that provides clear scalability, because ultimately that's what we all need is we need to be able to see a clear path to scale. And Altus does just that.
Well, I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to put a link in the episode notes below to register. Everyone watching this, sign up, get your spot. It's ISSA Headquarters, a cool place to be. The food's going to be fantastic. The experts are going to be on their A game. Karina, I'll see you there.
I'll see you there. Thanks, Jeff.